Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you the cards that you have to buy or upgrade in order to complete the daily combo and receive the 5 million coins. Before we start, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel and active the notification bell to receive the notify every time I upload a video. So click on the daily combo icon, go to the legal category, scroll down, and click License Asia. Congratulations, this is the first card. For the second one, you have to go to Specials search into the My Cards section or in New Cards and search for the Consensus Piranha card. You find the second hide card. Now, go back to the legal category and scroll down, click on License Turkey. As you can see, it is locked. This is a new card, and to unlock it, you have to invite one more friend. So these are the hidden cards for today. If you aren't in Hamster Kombat yet, click the link down below and you will receive immediately 5,000 coins.